what is this, a bunch of railing? Yeah, that's exactly what it is. But really, there's only 3 collections here. We've got DekPro Prestige over here, and we've got Westbury C10, and then we've got Westbury C80 all the way in the back. So we're going to talk about those today. Really, these have been proven lines of collection and railing that contractors like to install that look really good as a finished product and are durable. They're competitively priced and they're available. We ship in under a week on these certain profiles in these colors. So let's go over what those are. Alright, we're going to take a look here at DekPro Prestige. This is in absolute black. It's got a little bit different of a top, a 38-inch tall rail, and a standard 3-inch post. They come with welded flanges, like most railing. They are sold in post kits, so they come with this cap and this flare. You can, however, add more caps or lighting, such as we're seeing here. They also have this Prestige profile in a cocoa bronze, a dream white, and a maple cream. Just have the gate post on this. That's what that is. Great profile. They have 4 colors available. Quick shipping time. DekPro Prestige. Next, we're looking at Westbury. First, we're going to look at C10, which is the standard single top and bottom rail. This is in black fine texture. We also have a 4-inch. We've got a 2-inch on the left and a 4-inch on the right post with pre-welded flanges. Sold in post kits. They come with the cap and flare. C10 is also available in bronze fine texture, which is a little different than the Prestige, and gloss white. And the last system is Westbury vertical cable C80 Verticable. So this is a panelized vertical railing system, available in black fine texture and bronze fine texture. With that, in a week shipping time. You can also do a 6-inch post. There's that view. This is a kind of a cut section there, and then we've also got the 2-inch and the 4-inch. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you have questions on these products, please get a hold of us, send us an email, call us, send us a text. We are Deck and Rail Supply. Thank you. Take care.